guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with a haul from PlanwithPizazz. Super excited to show you guys this. It has a lot of Easter in it and a couple of St. Patrick's Day and like spring, and then some functionals, of course. So she included a little card this time because she's doing a Valentine swap. So if you send her a Valentine, her address is on her Instagram, and she will send you one of these, which was a collab with two other shops that I also PR for, Cupcakes and Stickies and Britannia Nicole. So if you send each shop a Valentine, you get coordinating freebies. I don't remember what I did with Cupcakes and Stickies. I think I put it in my planner already. It's in the shape of a heart. Anyway, so if you've seen that on my Instagram, that's on there. So I will make sure I post a picture of this too, so make sure you guys don't miss this one. It's so cute. So there's stickers from each shop on the sheet is what I'm trying to say. So these are, that one's Cupcakes and Stickies, that one's Cupcakes and Stickies. This one I think is Britannia. These are all PlanwithPizazz, and then these two are Britannia. Yeah, I think that's it. So that's so cute. I love her little heart-shaped glasses on Zazzy, those Zazzies. Okay, so enough of that. So get your free stickers. Alright, so this full kit that I got, full kits are $20, but I'm pretty sure you can order sheet by sheet. I'm trying to remember. I don't remember. Okay, so there's glitter headers in the full kit. And then here's the full box checklist. Oh, this one is called Enchanted Easter. So full box checklist, and she actually came out with another Easter kit, I think this weekend. Anyway, so then here's the full boxes. Isn't the bunny so cute? It's like she has lashes. I love it. And the little golden egg. I know I need to start on my Easter clips. I haven't yet. I just did the St. Patrick's Day, so Easter's 2 weeks after that. Alright, so here's the regular headers, like the written on ones, and then half boxes. And then she has these like skinnier quarter boxes, and then some little functionals up the side. And then here is the washi, so pretty and floral. And then she has the littles on here. And then there's little washi strips right here. She cut that box. And then this one is the date covers and sidebar stuff, and then some script functionals. And then she includes 4 habit trackers and then 4 more quarter boxes. So you get a ton in a full kit, okay? So cute. And then you can use code Lesley20off for 20% off of $10, so that'll save you some too. Or if she's having a sale, just make sure you mention my name so you get the PR freebie. Alright, so then this one, she put the functionals I ordered in a little Ziploc baggie. Okay, and I think these are around $3 a sheet. I don't remember. But the die cuts I think are around $2. So I got the little love one, and then the fox one, and the little birthday penguin one. You can use these in card making, pocket letters, decorate your dividers, make a little bookmark out of it, whatever you want to do with die cuts. I like them. I love them. I think they're super cute. She's so funny. I love this one. Okay. And then these are fairly new. She's starting to do a different size and a little bit different icons. So I did the little envelopes Happy Mail one. I have the Kawaii Happy Meal ones too, and I think she's still selling those, but I think she's going to this format a little bit more, so cute. And then here is the January PR sampler, so if you ordered in January, then you got this one if you mentioned my name or used my code. So here comes February. She went Valentine. Isn't that so cute? So it's pretty much similar, but different. Can you guys see the differences besides the color? So this one she did the giraffe, and it's like sick because of the flu season, then like drink your water, you know, New Year's resolutions maybe. And then this one's Valentine's Day, so it's like her with little Zazzy with love and her little boyfriend or husband or whoever. So super cute. I love it. So adorable. Alright, and then this one is the Rain Rain Go Away mini kit, which I believe is like $8. So you can get these 2 sheets for $8. And I thought these are perfect for coming up with April, for April showers. So there you go. So the only thing that, like, if I was doing this and I wanted to make more of a full spread, is I would need another set of headers, because these vary, where it's like this one says to do in today, so those could go all the way across, but you'd have to vary your boxes all the way across, or have a different set of headers, or not use headers for that row. So it's kind of up to you, but you have your checklist, you have your half boxes, and you have your full boxes. So in that sense, you can do a full spread as far as that goes. So cute. Okay, and then I ordered the cleaning kawaii sheet. This sheet is $4, I think. Is that right? Yeah, $4. But you can see it's like twice the size of one of these, kind of. Well, not fully twice, but you see what I'm saying. So this one has like, if you're spraying stuff like windows or something, these I would probably do for like bathroom cleaning, wearing gloves, doing the dishes, mopping, vacuuming, toilet scrubbing, another mop, another different kind of mop. So cute. And then her actually like cleaning with a squeegee. So funny. Okay. And then I ordered the mini kit of the St. Patrick's Day one to probably use in my personal planner, I think. We'll see. I'm trying to see, because I have to like see how many shops I get holiday kits from, and then okay, am I doing 2 weeks of St. Patrick's Day in one planner, or do I have enough for every planner? It's just, yeah, so I gotta look at it. But this is the same mini kit, so $8 you get these 2 sheets. They got a lot on there. Okay, and then I also ordered the mini kit of the Enchanted Bunny Easter. Enchanted Bunny, I guess would sound creepy, right? So I ordered the mini kit of this one as well to use in my mini happy planner, I think is what I'm going to end up using this in, because I have the full kit for either Erin Condren Happy Planner or Recollections, and then I'll use this one in the mini happy planner. So I'll basically be using 2 of these, and then I'll use all of these and then a bunch of the stuff. That's kind of how it works, because I like using her mini kits in my mini happy planner. That has worked out really well. So that is it for my haul. I tried to show you a variety of things. So if you're more of a white space planner, mini kits are a great way to go, or buying individual sheets and that kind of thing. So hope you guys like the haul. Thanks for watching. Give it a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And make sure you mention my name so that you get the freebie. Bye.